Question number 3. Jackie is asking, what if you don't sell or have a physical product? I want to sell digital files and courses. I teach how to quilt, and I think having different courses is better for me. How would I go about that? Jackie is in the free trial of Fashion Business Mastermind right now. Developing a digital product is very similar to developing a physical product, Jackie. So you can go through all the exercises of the Fashion Business Mastermind and you will have your course idea at the end of the road. And you will have your business plan, you will have your mission and purpose, you will have your course idea and the pricing, etc. So in your particular case, Jackie, I believe that a combination of a digital product and physical product is the best. At this point in time, you are an established YouTube content creator. You've been teaching women on how to quilt for quite some time already. You have a lot of content on visual content on how to create different types of quilts. You organize your content into 3 different steps in the course. The first step is for beginners, the second one is advanced, and the third let's say the second one is intermediary, and then there is an advanced one. In the first one, you teach the first level teaches participants the basics of quilting. The second level teaches participants advanced quilting, and the third level teaches participants how to earn money with quilting, how to monetize their quilting. So these are 3 different steps. Each step consists out of 10 projects. In each project, they deliver something at the end of the project. For these projects, you have components packages that you can sell. Those are physical products that you can sell separately per project, or you can sell as a large box for the whole level. When a participant joins your first level, for example, she can purchase in the project 1 components, or she can get components in one big box for all the 10 projects. What is going to happen is that in the first and in the second level, you will get people. I'm not sure whether you will get final products in the first level. That depends on you, how you teach. Maybe I always like my students to have a product at the end of a level, because when you teach without them sewing, really, they do not have this gratification. So the gratification is delayed. I would invite you to help your participants to create quilts from the very beginning. So it means that in the first and in the second part of your course, these 2 different levels, you will have a lot of same quilts which women will be making. Because if you sell your boxes, it means, say for example, you have this chevron quilt, right? And everybody has made this particular chevron quilt out of Cynthia, we have 5,000 out of your box. Thank you so much. Let's go to 10. Oh boy, I wish I could tap as well. So let me see. Imagine that you are doing a chevron project. Your participants have purchased a chevron package from you. Everybody is making the very same quilt. You have 20 participants. At the end of the project, you have 20 of the same quilts that you can list on your website and sell on behalf of your participants, and split the profits with them. Isn't it fantastic? So you have, everybody's working, and at the end of the day, they are getting paid for it. And then in the third step, so once they accomplish the advanced step, they're going up to the third step where you teach them how they can sell themselves. but you have done it for them in the beginning already. I think this is a fantastic layout. So I suggest, Jackie, go through it, write it out, take your time, and let me know what comes out of it. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know.